You are now looking at the Warrior form, and we are looking here because this is going to be one way for you to list your services to other internet marketers. And you notice that there is a form here called the Warrior Special Offer form. And the form that you're going to be looking at, actually, you're going to look at two. You're going to look at the Warriors for Hire section. You're going to look at the Warrior Classified Ad section. Both will cost you $20 to list a particular service there. And in the Warriors for Hire section, you want to take a look at some of the other ads, as we've talked about in another video, and structure yours accordingly. You're also going to want to look at the classified ad section, and you're going to want to list something and structure it accordingly. Now, that's not going to be the only way for you to be able to list what it is that you're going to do, and it's actually not even the most effective way. Now, Muncheye.com is a site where you are going to find out about future launches, and you're going to be able to find out about them before they happen. And these are going to be the people that may be open to something that you are going to do. And so you want to find out who's going to have something that you are going to have, a service that is going to be relevant for them to offer to their customers. And as you can see here, from the next 10 days, you've probably got over 100 launches. So there are lots of opportunities here for you to be able to offer a service. You can do the same thing inside of another site called JV Notify Pro. The idea behind the site is the same thing. You are going to be finding out who's going to have a product that is going to fit what it is that you are actually going to do. Once you understand these sites, you can actually go and look at products that have already been launched, not only in JV Zoo and Warrior Plus, but you can also take a look at products that have been launched in ClickBank. And there are going to be lots of different kinds of products being offered here, digital products. And again, if you have a service that's going to be relevant to the customers that are going to be buying this, this is where you're going to want to reach out to the vendor. So if we have a vendor, let's say that we pick one of these vendors and we look at them and we see that they've got a product here. And what's going to happen is they're going to have a joint venture page. We're going to go and check out that joint venture page. They're then going to have something where you can actually contact them. Typically, you're going to find that there at the bottom. You're going to want to reach out to them by the means that they have set up to be reached out to. And when you reach out, you're just going to write a little note there. Hey, I noticed you've got a service launching next month. Maybe you want to put the date in there. Talk about what it is you do. Make it brief. Make it clear about what it is you do. And then just make a pitch. Hey, I wonder if you have a way for your customers to actually get this done for them. If not, I like to talk to you for being able to set these up for your launch. You want to show them some of the previous work, or at least some of the people who have seen you do this work before. You have some testimonials, and then just ask them when a good time to talk might be. Right? Make it easy for them to contact you. Right? Give them Skype, Facebook, your mobile number, and email, and then reach out to them. And then maybe you want to wait a little while, and then just kind of see where that leaves you. You can do this as many times as you want to, as many products as you see that you feel comfortable that you'd be able to offer the kind of service that their customers might be interested in. Now, even though you're going to have these various ads in various places, you are going to want to have your own page. We are going to cover that in a future video in this course. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.